Floorcare.biz is proud to present the Tennant B5 Battery Burnisher. The B5 is a walk-behind battery-powered machine featuring a 20-inch burnishing path, making all your jobs a breeze. This unit also features active dust control and HEPA filtration, simple and intuitive controls to minimize training, and up to 3 hours of runtime, making the Tennant B5 a great addition to your equipment fleet. Your unit will ship to you with batteries, charger, and pad, and is covered under a dead on arrival and 30-day parts warranty. All machines in stock will ship out same day and arrive to you in 3 to 5 business days. To place an order, click the link in the description, visit us online at floorcare.biz, email us at sales@floorcare.biz, or call us at 217-233-8932. We look forward to hearing from you. Floorcare.biz, where your floors are our business.